Hi everyone, this is a continuation topic of hypersensitivity. Type 1 and 2 is already discussed in a previous video. I have given in the link below in the description box. Now we are going to see about type 3 hypersensitivity reaction. It is an immune complex mediated reaction. This type 3 is immune complex mediated reaction occurs when there is an accumulation of immune complex like antigen antibody complex formation and that are not cleared by the immune system properly. If there is an antigen antibody formation and this is not cleared by the immune system properly, this causes this type 3 hypersensitivity reaction. So whenever there is an increase in antigen, both endogenous as well as exogenous, if the tablet is taken, if it is not cleared properly by our immune system, and this can also causes hypersensitivity as compared to the antibody. When there is an increase of antigen as compared to the antibody, they form antigen antibody complex and this moves in the body freely. This antigen antibody complex moves in the body freely and gets lodged in the basement membrane of various blood vessels. Due to the movement of this antigen antibody complex, this lodges in the basement membrane of various blood vessels like kidney, joints and systemic organs. These antigen antibody complex lodges in the blood vessels of kidney, joints and systemic organs, and this activates the complement system, and this complement system releases a byproduct C3A, C4A and C5A, and this acts as a increased vascular permeability. This byproducts increases the vascular permeability and this causes edema, as well as the activation of the complement system releases a reactive oxygenase species as well as lysosome, and this causes inflammation and cell damage. The main thing to remember is there is an increase in antigen, so there is a formation of antigen and antibody complex. This is entrapped in the blood vessels like kidney, joints, entrapped or lodges in the blood vessels like kidney, joints as well as systemic, and this activates the complement system. The antigen is soluble and increase in number. If there is an increase in number, so the antigen is increase in number and it is soluble as well as free. Antibody is free because antigen and antibody complexes freely move around the body. Examples of type 3 hypersensitivity reaction is systematic lupus erythematosus, glomerulonephritis and serum sickness and arthritis. Hypersensitivity type 4. It is a delayed type of hypersensitivity and it is cell mediated response and do not involve any antibodies. And this are the three important points of type 4. It is delayed type of hypersensitivity and it has a cell mediated response and do not involve any antibody. In other three hypersensitivity reaction, there is a presence of antibody, and this type 4 there is no presence of antibody. This antigen attached to the surface and that is engulfed by the dendritic cell acts as an antigen presenting cell because it on this surface the antigen is attached. On the dendritic cell the surface the antigen is attached. With the help of major histocompatibility complex class 2 on their surface, and this recognize CD4 T helper cells 1 and this proliferates CD4 T helper cell 1 cells, and this leads to the formation of interferon gamma, and this activates macrophage and releases cytokine, and this cytokine activates CD8 T helper cells as well as this destroy the organ. The major thing to destroy the antigen present in the organ. Example of the type 4 hypersensitivity reaction is contact dermatitis, multiple sclerosis, diabetes mellitus type 1 as well as tuberculosis. Thank you. Please do subscribe and comment and like as well as share.